Good morning! Today we're going on a little surprise trip. I mean, I know where we're going, but you don't. So we're thinking about vlogging today, and we hope that you want to come. Let's go!
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more.
Okay, so we reached our first destination.
This was not the destination. You wanted to go here.
Yeah, we were passing by and I thought it would be good to just swing in. It's a very cheap hunting store in Sweden called Engelson's here in Falkenberg. And yeah, you bought your first knife, hunting knife.
A Swedish knife.
Yeah, it's a Murakniv. We're going back on the road and just continuing to destination unknown.
Yeah, because you still don't know where we're going.
I have no idea.
But he should know by now, I think.
No, I have no idea.
But we'll get back to you when we are at the destination and you will see his reaction.
See you soon.
We have reached our destination. And where are we?
We are in Gothenburg.
Gothenburg. And we are at
My
your favorite hotel.
Yeah, my favorite hotel.
Surprise!
You can see it here.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man, but let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been, I only care about your soft skin.
We've had a pretty cozy day together here in Gothenburg, and now it's time for dinner. So we're waiting for our Uber to arrive, and then we're gonna go have some Italian food.
Soft skin, 'cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Good morning. We have just woke up and are going to eat an amazing breakfast down in the lobby. You can actually see it from here.
Memories are chasing